What we have here is a firewall panel that we designed several years ago for 47 to 55 first series Chevy pickups. And it's made out of 18 gauge steel. And we've got the booster location in it for either a standard booster location or a CPP bracket. And we've got the holes in it for the vintage air bulkheads. We like to use that. We even got the vent hole in it for the cowl vent water drain if you so desire. And then we notched out the steering area. So this will hang and smooth your firewall. It also serves as a template when we sell a running rolling chassis. And this comes with each kit. And it will help you in hanging your booster and your air conditioning ports and stuff like that. So this morning we built a panel for a 1960 F100 Ford, 57 to 60, and so what we did on the firewall, we've got it prepped. We just deburred everything and removed all the unwanted bolts, protrusions. Then we just put a light coat of stick-on Dynamat type insulation here. And now the panel is prepped. We've got the hole for our booster here, and we even put the wiper motor in here, so you can, the original wiper motor, so you can see how it lays out. So what Scott and I are going to do is we're just going to hold this panel up here now. You can be careful, it's kind of flimsy so it doesn't bend here. And we put it in the brake, and we broke the bottom edge here and a little bit around the wiper motor the top edge, just to give it some strength. So this panel can fit right up in here like this. Okay, so we're fitting this panel right now. We just put a couple bolts in here to retain it for the brake booster. And if you just take a couple vice grips, hold these corners up in place, just kind of as a helping hand like this, so that it stays in place. Like that. I'm going to put the CPP brackets on here that holds the firewall. I've got that panel slid down a little. You want to pick it up first? There we go. And then you can use this for a little self-adjustment. Okay. Brackets attached to the firewall panel, and we're going to put the CPP booster and master assembly in here now, and just to give us a guide of how this is going to look. And they're flange nuts on it. And get one stuck in here. There we go. There we go. We're just going to kind of snug this up. Like that. Okay, so now you've got kind of an idea how this lays out. It fits nicely here. Your inner fender well will follow this line here. You can seam seal these edges. This can be fixed on here permanently, and you can, use it. You can paint this whole the color of your cab if you're going to do that, or you can blitz black this, detail it however you like. We even bent the edges here a little bit, so it just kind of cleans it up here around the wiper motor. And then again, you can seam seal this stuff if you like. It's not that big a deal, just so it doesn't vibrate. And then what we'll typically do then is we'll rivet it in a few spots right to the firewall, and you hide the rivets so that you don't see them, and that lays out really nice.